Unraveling the meaning of trench in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a very interesting topic to delve into. The word trench. This word has various meanings and uses, and by the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of how to use it in different contexts. So, let's get started. The word trench primarily refers to a long, narrow ditch. Imagine a hole or a channel dug into the ground, often used for a specific purpose. Here are a few examples to help you grasp the basic meaning. Soldiers dig trenches during war to hide and protect themselves from the enemy. Farmers can create trenches to manage irrigation and drainage in their fields. In both of these cases, the trench is a practical tool, serving a clear and necessary purpose. However, trench isn't limited to its literal meaning. It can also be used metaphorically or in idiomatic expressions. Here are some examples. 1. In the trenches. This phrase often refers to doing hard, tedious work, especially at the ground level of an operation. For example, the manager spent a day in the trenches to better understand the workflow. 2. Dig oneself into a trench. This expression can mean putting oneself in a difficult or entrenched position, making it hard to change or retreat. In both of these examples, the idea of a trench is used figuratively to convey a sense of depth, difficulty, or involvement. While we're not diving into phonetic transcriptions, it's worth noting that trench is pronounced with a soft ch sound, like in chair or cherry. Make sure not to confuse it with words that have a hard k sound at the end. In terms of usage, trench can be both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it refers to the ditch itself, and as a verb, it means the action of creating the ditch. For example, noun, the workers dug a trench. Verb, they needed to trench around the garden to prevent flooding. And that wraps up our exploration of the word trench. Whether you're talking about a physical ditch in the ground or using the term to describe intensive, in-depth work, you now have a solid understanding of how to use this word in various contexts. We hope this video has been enlightening, and as always, happy learning, and see you in the next video.